Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you have me running right back.
Okay, so your girl is a little bit late. I am going out, but I'm really late. Let me do my makeup quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not really sure if you can see very well. The lighting's not the greatest, but this is my outfit. I've got on these black strappy heels with a gold heel. And then I've got on these black jeans and this kind of like off the shoulder top. The lighting's quite bad, but I did my hair and the curls have dropped already. Like, this hair is so fluffy that it just doesn't hold anything, which is quite annoying, but oh well. I'm actually quite late, but for someone who had things to do, I don't think I've done too bad with time, and it's only about 15 minutes drive away, so it's not too far.
Guess who's stuck in traffic? And there's a lady at the bus stop who keeps staring at me, and should I point the camera at her? But yeah, I don't know what the hold up is right now. There seems to be some traffic, and even though this hair ended up being mad frizzy, it's actually super cute. So I'm literally 8 minutes away, but I don't know what all this congestion is. I might type in Waze and see if an alternative route will come. I'm so happy I went to Canada, guys, because I honestly feel like my confidence and my drive when it comes to just creating and producing content has just gone through the roof. You know, sometimes you need to step out of your current environment in order to reset and recenter, and it was so productive towards me and my progression and my journey that it was so much needed. Like, I even want to move there, so something I'm praying about. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what the problem is right now. People are even hooting. I don't really understand. Hold on, let's put the window down so I can hear what's going on. Nothing, but my hair looks super cute though. Shout out to Ali Pearl for this U-part wig. Coming like a fresh sew-in. I need to dye my hair. A fresh sew-in, little leave out. But yeah, people are probably looking at me like, why is she vlogging in her car? Mind your own. But we seem to be moving. Honestly, I don't know what the holdup is. So it turns out the whole reason why there was all that traffic was because of the petrol crisis. Like, this petrol crisis is still going on. I've literally flown back from Canada. It's been a week and a bit, and you know, like, it's just madness. Literally, the queue was starting from my way, going to... I ended up having to use Waze to go literally around from the back. And then on the opposite side coming in was traffic as well. Anyways, I thought I arrived and I pulled up at a yard and I was like, with what I'm wearing? No, baby. No, not even that. What I'm wearing is too elegant for a house, but the heels, I just said, oh no. But I actually got the address wrong. Whew, thank God. That's the one time I've actually been happy to get an address wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna drive there and actually focus before my daddy watches this and tells me, what are you doing? Or my uncle, or my cousins, or my brothers. Yeah, anyways. Hello and hi. Day 2 of wearing this wig. I actually took it off and reinstalled it, and I really like it. The curls that I had in it yesterday dropped, so yeah, it's not good hair for curling, but if you want to wear it like, you know, somewhat straight, wavy. So yesterday I went to my friend Ramira's birthday. I didn't actually get to vlog whilst I was in there, and it just wasn't that kind of setting to vlog. I was also
I wouldn't say overdressed, because what I went for was smart casual, but their smart casual was basically drip. Yeah, and casual. So I was basically the only girl wearing heels, which was okay. And then that ended kind of early. Oh wait, I didn't even talk about the fact that I saw so many people I know. Like, I saw so many people from secondary school, college, and this is going back like 10 years ago. And I remember Ramirez saying on the invite, no children. And I was thinking, it's a weird thing to list. Like, why would you say no children? It's because I'm sure a lot of us are mums and dads now. Like, when we were kids going to these adult functions, we were the children that they were bringing. So yeah, it was good. It was like, it felt like a reunion, basically, seeing so many people I knew. It was nice. And then I also saw some of my close friends from secondary school as well. Like, a lot of them were guys. I didn't see any females I really knew apart from 2. But yeah, it was just nice getting up to speed with everyone, talking to so many people. I was honestly out of my depths, because usually when I go out, I'm not the one to be knowing people. One of my friends I actually connected with yesterday, it so happens that we're going out today. So we're gonna go to Vapianos. Oh yeah, and after the Ramirez birthday yesterday, we decided to go, a few of us, well most of us, especially that went to that party, decided to then go to this club called Silk. I don't have too much to say about it, but I actually ended up having a lot of fun. Would I go there again? No, probably not. But I had a blast, and I think the company I had really helped. So yeah, right now, one of my friends and I that I so happened to link up with yesterday, we decided we're gonna go out to eat, so we're just gonna go to Vaps. I'm actually on my way there now. So I just finished lacing up my Jordan 1s. I've actually put the blue laces on for once. I've had these shoes, I think, almost like 2 years, and I've never worn the blue laces. Okay, so I'm just walking to Vapianos right now. Look at the towel, guys. Like a tourist in my own country. Anyway, I always get so lost when I'm coming to this one, because it's kind of awkward to walk to, but I should be here now. So I know it's right next to the ivy. People always staring at me.
You got issues that I've been mentioning for now, cause we're falling apart. Passion from miles away, passing with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you all. Passion from miles away, passing with the things you say.
My friend's a little antisocial, but yeah, we're just taking a nice walk, finished eating food, and we did not finish our food. The portions were so big. I actually had the bright idea of maybe trying to get on board with the Uber boat. I don't know where. We'll get onto it. This is the problem with vlogging in London. Everyone's always staring at you. Anyways. We'll see if we can find one. If not, we shall enjoy our lovely walk with my very antisocial friend. He's even ducking away. And he's trying to steal this from me, guys. We should call him something in the comments. He's not getting this. I just bought this.
I believe you choose different, yeah, but you play me the same. Been through the games, now I'm tired of playing
show you my outfit real quick. I put on a little black ensemble, a little top with a skirt, and I'm still deciding which heels I want to go for, but I'm gonna show you my fit real quick.
All black with my jacket and a van to twist. Look, my lover matter, I can handle this. We're fine, take a second double boards in Ricci. I think that I care too much, but all this covers the air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my flaws. I was black back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it, the growth, the lies, the pain.
Bringing more, I've had too many. This Virginia done me up already. I'm Blem for real, I might just say how I feel. I'm Blem for real, I might just say how I feel. Don't switch on me, I got big plans. We need to forward to the islands and get you gold, no spray tents. I need you to stop running back to your ex, he's a waste man. I'm Blem for real, I might just say how I feel. I know what I like.
My last car wash in my Audi. Daddy's there. It's part of me, and there's some angry man over there. Guys, do you know what this is? Documentation, because the beloved car is going. The last time I'm going to hold the keys that I've carried first at 20 years old. You saw her getting washed for the last time? I didn't know.
Okay, let's go.
That was like the Godex and everything.
Oh, okay.
The gym.
The service history here as well, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just getting the key. Okay, right now, there's so many cars here. It's just like a scrapyard of cars. I'm trying to get through. I can't even walk through there. Oh my god. We're just here to look at the Mini. Right now, we're just testing the lights on the car. It actually has a Scottish flag at the top. I'm gonna get that removed. What do you think, Dad?
It's very clean inside.
I mean, it looks pretty modern inside, I'm not gonna lie.
Just make it flat.
Okay, so I don't know. I slept a bit funny in the car, so my hair's a bit messed up. But we are 50 minutes away. So Mom, Dad, and I are just gonna get some Starbucks.
And
put a banner on it that says sold, which is cute. So let's go see.
Say the wrong word 'cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living that life. You know Ricci shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. And I respect you till you try. Designer head to toe. Hostel to the head to flow.
Guess who's in her brand new car? I'll give you guys a proper tour, but as you can see, I'm in the car with the little blue interior. We've just stopped off. Oh look, Dad's taking pictures of me like a proud dad.